In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs sound better. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. Look for the official ElevenLabs site in the results, typically marked clearly with the brand name and domain. Click through to land on the home page. This quick route ensures you're on the latest interface without needing to remember a specific URL. If you visited before, your browser may autocomplete the name. Feel free to use that shortcut. Once you're on the site, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where the core voice controls live, and where small adjustments can dramatically change how natural your audio sounds. You'll see sliders for parameters like stability and similarity enhancement. Today we'll focus on those two because they directly shape expressiveness and the voice's identity, and they're the fastest way to improve quality without over-tweaking. Begin with stability and set it to about 40%. Stability governs how strictly the voice sticks to a steady delivery versus allowing natural variation in pacing, pitch, and emphasis. Around 40% is a sweet spot for many voices, low enough to add life and nuance, yet high enough to avoid drift or unintended mood swings. If you hear the delivery becoming too animated or inconsistent, nudge it a little higher. If it sounds flat or monotone, try a touch lower, staying close to that 40% baseline. Next, adjust similarity enhancement to about 70%. This control helps the model preserve the signature characteristics of the chosen voice, like timbre and accent. At roughly 70%, you retain the voice's identity while still leaving room for expressive dynamics. Pushing similarity too high can sometimes make speech feel rigid, while too low can loosen the voice's character. If clarity or identity starts to blur, inch it upward. If it feels a bit stiff, ease it down slightly. That's it. By searching ElevenLabs through Google, opening the text-to-speech page, and setting stability to 40% with similarity around 70%, you'll get a noticeably more natural sound in most use cases. These values are dependable starting points, not hard rules. So let your ears guide small, careful tweaks. Save your preferred combination once it clicks for your project, and you'll have a reliable, great-sounding setup ready whenever you return. For best consistency across projects, keep a simple note of which voice you're using and the exact percentages that worked well. Small changes can sound big, so make one adjustment at a time and trust your ears.